Welcome back. Well, the markets are still holding with close to around a double century of gains, so you like that. The Nifty Bank, well, we're not able to get past that 47,000 odd mark, but still up close to around 400 points. I think the bulls will take that. The only problem, I think, is volumes are still on the lower side, and that's what we have seen for the past two sessions as well. Nimesh is with us. Nimesh, how are you reading today's trading action?
Well, a good recovery in the markets, and the good part is we're holding on to the early morning gains.
Yes.
But Nigel, looks like the large part of this rally is a short covering rally, and largely into the PSU stocks. Look at the PSU index, that's up 3%, and all the top gainers are part of the PSU basket, the OMC PSUs, metal names that you've been tracking. So is the case with the NBFC PSUs as well, the PFC RSs. All are buzzing in trade today. But if you look at the Y2D chart, all these stocks are down anywhere between 20 to 30, 40%, right? So we've seen a bit of a short covering rally in these names today. Having said that, there is a bit of buying as well. In fact, there's going to be MOC basket buying across names is what I understand from a leading FI. So looks like the FI number could be slightly towards on the positive side. So good. That's another feedback. Even the broader markets have recovered sharply. But again, if you look at those indices, they were sharply down Y2D. So a bit of a relief rally in the broader markets as well. I will classify this rally as more of a short covering rally, that largely led by the PSUs, but need to see whether this momentum can continue. My sense is starting next week, though it's a truncated week, you might see this momentum, especially in the broader markets, because they're so oversold that you might see a bit of a rally to continue in the broader markets.
Well, portfolios will feel good if that has to continue, Nimesh. But what about individual stocks? What are you picking up?
Okay, so in terms of individual names, the first stock on my list today is Aurobindo Pharma. That's been consolidating in the last few days, but looks like some bit of accumulation is happening. So for the second day running, I understand there is a follow-up buying from some larger FIs into Aurobindo Pharma. So that's the first name. The second name is Lupin. The stock is buzzing in trade today and good volumes as well. And looks like that largely because of some FI interest is back in Lupin as well. So expect high delivery volumes in that particular stock. Coincidentally, the third name is also a pharma name, which is GSK Pharma. That stock has seen a big outperformance in the last few weeks and few months. But now some bit of profit booking seems to be at these levels. So some small sell flows. But I understand there is profit booking clearly at these levels in GSK Pharma. And the last is two large names where I'm expecting large blocks. One is Tata Motors and the other one is Nestle. The indication is there could be sizable blocks in both names. In Tata Motors, there has been a speculation for the last many days that Tata Sons could sell the way they sold in TCS as well. And in Nestle as well, there has been an indication that maybe some larger investors are sounded off and there could be a block in Nestle as well very soon.
Okay, got that, Nimesh. Thanks very much for all the action from the reading rooms today.
For more news and updates, all you need to do is follow CNBC TV18 on all of our digital platforms.